Hello, welcome to Nayak Family Blog. This is Dr. Raj Nayak and welcome to Dr. Raj Nayak's kitchen. Today we are going to make the egg toast, and we are going to have the side order of hash browns, the homemade fresh hash browns, and the coleslaw. So to begin with, we are going to start with making the egg toast. The egg toast, basically it's a first of all we'll make the mixture for dipping the toast, the bread. The dipping is made with the milk and the egg and some salt and some oregano seasoning and black pepper. To begin with, we'll start making the dip so that we can dip the bread and make the egg toast. Then we'll go with the coleslaw and hash browns. The egg and the milk. We are going to sprinkle a little bit of oregano. We are going to put some salt, just a little bit. We are going to put some fresh pepper, black pepper. We are going to mix it well. To begin making the toast, first of all, we will spread. I have mayonnaise and I have tomato ketchup. What I will do is that I will spread some mayonnaise in each of it. The another one goes with the ketchup. Cover it together, stick it together and keep it aside. In similar way, we have to make all the sets ready with the mayonnaise and ketchup. We have done that and we will keep on doing till all the sets are complete. We have warmed the skillet. I have used oil. You can use butter. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to make the egg toast. For that we have already made the mixture of milk, egg, oregano, black pepper and salt. What we'll do is that we'll reduce the fire, dip one set like this inside the liquid and place it on the skillet. We'll do the second one like that, same thing, keep it well. Make sure you don't have to put much oil. It should be just on a non-skid flat skillet, and it should be on the same. Don't make it too high. It should not get burned. Now I will flip it. It's get quite sloggy, so we have to be careful while flipping it. It should not break. We'll let it cook the other side for a few minutes, then we'll flip it again to make it more brown. We'll flip it one more time. It is well cooked. We'll let it cook for a few more minutes and then we'll transfer it to the plate. So this is all done. Transfer it to the plate. We'll repeat the same thing with just put few drops of oil or butter for the second round. We'll cook it for a few more minutes. While this is being cooked, I will prepare for the coleslaw. What I have here, I have the cabbage, I have grated cut cabbage, I have grated carrots and little bit of onion. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to put everything in a small bowl. I have used red onions here. You can use the other cabbage also, but the plain white cabbage is also good. This is all mixed together. I am going to add, I have mustard paste. It's a plain mustard paste. It has nothing, it has no salt. It's a hand made mustard paste. I'm going to use a little bit of it. To add a little bit of vinegar, just a little bit of vinegar. It's a plain vinegar. You can use rice vinegar also. Going to add the mayonnaise. Add a little bit of salt. Granules of sugar. Get some black pepper. And I'm going to mix it well. I have mixed everything. I'm going to press it a little bit down. I will press all the mixture down, and from here I am going to put it in the refrigerator, or I can put that in the freezer for about 10 minutes. So when it is cold, it is all mixed well, blended well, and it is ready to eat as a side dish. I'm going to make hash brown. For that I have parboiled, half-boiled potatoes, so that when we cook the hash browns in the skillet, it won't be too hard. So to begin with, I am going to grate it. I'm I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some corn flour so it gives a good binding. I'm going to dust it with a little bit of corn powder. Add some black pepper. Mix it well gently so that it should not break. You should be probably like that. I will take a small ball of it, try to press a little bit hard. Start making the patties by taking a small ball in your hand and flatten it to the shape you desire. And make the patties. I'm going to add some oil. This way of cooking you can do the deep fry pan method, but this is a shallow fry or just a roast because it's more healthy because it won't be using much oil. So you can do either way. You can deep fry it or the skillet method, which is less oil, more healthy. I will place each of these patties. And going to fry it or roast it on the skillet for a few minutes. It's done. You know why? Well, I have my own recipe, so I just add a piece of mozzarella cheese. The cheese will melt because of the heat, so it can be ready to be served. I will put it for a few more minutes till the... Guys, this is my quick breakfast menu. We have egg toast, coleslaw, and hash browns. So this is how it looks, and this is a very quick, easy and healthy breakfast. Happy eating.